Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery Company Limited is a comprehensive company and professional manufacturer non-woven bag making machine and paper bag making machine in 15 years. The factory covers an area of 1,300,000 square meters, employs more than 400 workers. To create more economic and offer the one-step service, we collect all the knowledge and resource to service our customers, with a complete solution in non-woven industry in our field, including the non-woven production line, non-woven bag making machine, and non-woven printing machine. And we had exported them to all over the world in the past years. We have complete welding and spray painting process. Introduce advanced polishing machines and dryers to make paint long-lasting. We also introduced a world-class CNC machining center, quantity more than 50 sets which are import from Japan and Taiwan, to produce the high-precision accessories. Ounuo has a complete warehousing system. The 4,000 square meter spare parts warehouse sorts all parts and manages them through the ERP system. Best after-sales service is precisely because of the perfect warehousing system. We provide timely and effective services and arrange the necessary accessories for customers in the first time, which is unanimously recognized by customers. We have passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Certificated System and CE Safety Certificated System. With rich technology and capital resource, we pay high attention to the new product innovation. Since its establishment, the company has gradually won the support and trust of our customers, in line with the principles of exchanging quality for customer trust and continuous improvement and meeting customer needs. The products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions in past years, including Russia, Europe, Africa, the United States, South American, etc. Market share of up to 90%.